In this video we will show you the content of I-Extruder Dispenser Advanced Pack. Detailed illustrated user guide. I-Extruder solder paste reflow profile. Pick and place pen. I-Extruder main unit. On the back of the main unit, there are two 2.5mm ports, trigger port on the left, and power port on the right. On the top side of the main unit there are three buttons, OK, left, and right, to navigate the device menu, which will appear on the 0.9-inch OLED display. On the front side you will find the lead screw adapter, which is used to attach the syringe's plastic piston or aluminum pick-and-place piston. Gold-plated contact pads, for the pogo pins of syringe holder. Syringe holder with forward and backward buttons. There are 4 small holes to see the contents of the syringe and the movement of the piston. Quick release ring, to attach syringe holder or syringe to the main unit. The I-Extruder is very lightweight. Fully assembled, the I-Extruder weighs only 100 grams, it's well balanced and feels very comfortable in the hand during the use. High quality, low temperature, no clean, lead-free solder paste, filled into 10 cc Nordson type EFD syringes, with a mounting hole inside the piston. CNC machine black anodized aluminum pick-and-place pen. This pen only weighs 10 grams and very useful for precise placement of small components. 50 centimeters long food-grade silicone tube. Connected to the I-Extruder with the help of silicone tube, pick-and-place pen will drastically speed up components placement workflow. 1.8 meters long, flexible power cable with 2.5mm jack on one side and USB plug on the other side. 5 volts 2 amperes, USB power supply with Euro or US plugs type. Small bag containing metal and plastic dispensing needles of various gauge and syringe tips. Various size silicone suction cups, for components pick and place feature. Five empty syringes with caps and plastic pistons. As you may see, syringe pistons has a mounting hole for I-Extruder lead screw adapter. Aluminum piston for pick and place feature. It also have a mounting hole for I-Extruder lead screw adapter. When it is attached, piston will move back and forward along with the lead screw. Small bottle of lithium grease for the aluminum pick-and-place piston. Foot switch pedal, and adapter ring to use syringes without syringe holder. With the foot switch pedal and syringe adapter, you can use I-Extruder either to dispense solder paste or as a pick-and-place tool.